Child's pose. Start kneeling and take your hips back to your heels. All 10 toes pointed back, tops of the feet to the floor. Knees can be touching or as wide as the mat. Exhale. Walk your hands in front of you as you hinge forward from your pelvis. Rest your torso on or between your thighs. Forehead on the floor. Relax tailbone towards your feet. Rest the elbows, forearms, and palms on the floor in front of you. Inhale, widen your low back and side ribs with your breath. Exhale, let your body release down. Keep your breathing slow and steady for 5 to 10 full breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. 5. Inhale, place your hands underneath your shoulders and push yourself upright.